Hey, what's up everybody? 65 Lokes here, back with another video. So check it out. This package arrived today. Very excited. This came from the man, Gary Seeds. Thank you, Gary, for sending this out to me. Not too long ago, we did a podcast together. And, after the podcast, he told me he was going to send something to me. So I was like excited, like, wait, what? And it arrived. It's here. So I have not opened it. I'm going to go ahead and open this together with you guys here. So let's see. Before we start, let me get my hobby knife and cut out the piece of tape right here on this side and on this side. There was another piece of board here, but obviously, I had our addresses that I'm not going to post on here. So I had to just cut that piece of board out. But I'm going to go ahead and open this. All right, guys, let's see. Dang, it's crazy. Feels like it's like my birthday, Christmas, everything all thrown into one right here. This is coming from the legend, Gary Seeds. Let's check it out. Oh, let's see. He says, bro, this is to add to your lowrider model history collection. Enjoy. Thanks. Oh, this is awesome. Keeping this. This is also part of what is going to be part of this collection right here. Let's check it out, guys. Ooh, look at this. This is that custom built 1/64 scale. It has the ScaleRiders decal right there on the side and painted by Gary Seeds as well. This is like one of the first pieces that I own in my collection now, painted by Gary Seeds. And check this out. Ooh, what? Man, this is crazy. This is something he showed me when we did the podcast together, guys. And let me set this aside over here. And I'm going to remove the box to clear more room. Check this out right here. Crazy. Man, this is awesome. These are some great gifts right here. Thank you, Gary, man. So check it out. We have Respect Hydraulics, skill level number 1 right here. 5001, which I'm assuming that's the item or like the part number, or this whole thing, actually, this whole kit. English instructions, instrucciones en español. Yeah, even in Spanish, that's dope. And then we have hot hydraulic hopping kit, the kit that fits all of the interior. Exclamation point, and exclamation point. There you have it. I don't want to bend this. You see it there. This is the bottom portion right here. Man, skill level 1. And look at this. The equipment that it came with. All these cables right here from when this was put out. Let's look at the price real quick here. $24.99 was the price point on this piece. I'm going to have to find like another bigger bag, or just to like put this in and seal it to preserve it. Over here we have Respect Hydraulics hydraulic hopping kit contents. So we came with the motors, push button switches, C-bars, frame enforcements, gears, drilled switch box, washer, 7.2 volt battery connector, screws, hydraulic test line, wire, and wire cover. And that's crazy. It even gives you the feet of how much. And look at the, I don't know if you can see the chassis right here from the back, but even like man, that's crazy. The switches right there. What a trip. And you got the dude right here with the deuces right there. That's so cool. So man, this is awesome, man. This is so awesome. Let's see, Gary taped it right here. This is definitely, I need to get a little case for it. A 1/64 small little case, so I could put this, and display it here on my bench. It's definitely going to be going up on my bench. And man, this is so awesome. Thank you, Gary. I'm going to link Gary's YouTube channels in the description, so you guys could check him out and give him a follow. And also, if you have not heard the that episode that we did recently. Make sure you check that out as well. All right, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Take care. Peace.